Like I'm in a fist, like I'm being squeezed by a fist.
Like you're being squeezed by a fist.
A big fist.
And notice the cervix, Christine. Is it open or closed?
I feel it against my head. I feel it like a ring around my head.
It's like a ring around your head.
Yeah.
Now experience the strongest contraction. And how do you feel?
I don't want to come out.
Say that again.
I don't want to come out. This is not like this. I changed my mind.
Yeah, say that again.
I changed my mind.
Yeah. Say it again.
I changed my mind.
Yeah. So I don't want to come out.
I want to do this.
Yeah. That's it. Let it come.
I don't want to.
Yeah. Let it
I
come.
don't want to.
Yeah. That's it. Tell him. That's right. Tell him. That's it. Let it come. That's it. Let it come up. I don't want to do this. Breathe.
I don't want to breathe. I don't want to do this.
Yeah. So again, I don't want to do this. So I don't want to breathe. I don't want to come out.
I don't want to breathe. I don't want to come out.
Yeah.
Just leave me alone.
Say that again.
Just leave me alone.
Tell them so they can hear you. That's it. Tell them. That's it.
Leave me alone.
Yeah. That's it. Let it come up, Christine. Let them know.
They won't listen to me. You're gonna make me come out anyway.
Yeah. How do you feel about that?
It hurts.
Yeah. Say that again.
It hurts.
Yeah. Breathe. That's it.
Oh.
Tell me what's happening.
They're pinching my head.
Yeah. What do you want to tell them?
Leave me alone.
Yeah.
You're hurting me.
Yeah. Tell them a little louder.
I'm so tired.
You're so tired.
So tired.
You're so tired. Now just move forward to when you come out, Christine. Move forward to being out. Uh-huh. What's happening?
It's ugly here.
It's ugly here. Who's the first person to touch you?
I talked to her.
Mm-hmm. What's that like?
Just holding me upside down.
Mm-hmm. How do you feel about that?
It hurts.
Yeah.
It's cold.
Yeah. It hurts and it's cold. Yeah.
My head hurts.
Your head hurts. What are you deciding about yourself or life right now?
It's hard.
Mm-hmm. Life's hard. Tune into your mother, Christine. What's happening with her right now? Nothing.
She's not moving.
Mm-hmm.
Her eyes are closed. She's not looking at me.
Mm-hmm.
She looks dead.
She looks dead. And how do you feel about that? Breathe.
I just want her to look at me.
Yeah, say that again.
I just want her to look at me.
Yeah.
To see her eyes.
Yeah. That's it. Let it come up. That's it. That's it. And what's the thought behind that movement?
Just take me away.
Just take me away.
Just take me
Just take you away. Now, Christine, move forward to your time in the nursery. Move forward to being in the nursery and just tune into the first time you receive food. And tell me about that.
It's nasty.
Say that again.
It's nasty.
Mm-hmm. Who's feeding you?
My sister. Oh. My sisters.
The sisters are feeding you. And what are you thinking and feeling right now?
She's got me wrapped up, and that's nice. That feels good.
Mm-hmm. So you're wrapped up and that feels good.
She's holding me. That feels nice.
Mm-hmm. Good.
Nipple doesn't taste good, though.
That nipple doesn't taste good.
No.
No. Is there anything that you want differently?
What, Mama?
Say that again.
What, Mama? Oh.
Yeah. And what are you deciding about yourself right now? That nipple doesn't taste good and you want your mama?
This sucks.
This sucks. Okay. Now, Christine, I'm going to count from 1 up to 3, and I reach the number 3. You're going to move forward to the first time you see either your mother or father. The first time you see either one of them. 1, 2, 3. Just be there now.
Father.
Mm-hmm.
Came to see me. To see me in the nursery.
He came to see you in the nursery.
He smells good.
He smells good. And how do you feel? He's picking you up and holding you.
I guess I can do this.
Say that again.
I guess I can do this.
Yeah. Now, Christine, just move forward to the first time you meet your mother. Move forward in time. And tell me about that.
She's very clean
She's very clean.
and nervous.
She's nervous.
She's pretty.
Mm-hmm. How are you feeling being with her?